On a sunny day at the school playground, the air was filled with joy. Kids were swinging, sliding, and laughing together. Can I have a turn after you? Wow, there are so many colors. And I will draw a blue sky. This is amazing. Let's share our artwork. And so, they all drew together, creating a wonderful masterpiece. Sophie and Emma learned the magic of sharing, creating joy and friendship. And they promised to always share.